Confidence hack number 6, slouching versus great posture. And 85% of communication is this. The confidence boost today comes through having good posture and your body language. Hey, I'm David Nurse. I coach NBA players, CEOs, and high performers of all types how to hack their confidence. Now, if you want the same things that I'm teaching them in an email, in your inbox every morning to start your day off on the right confident foot, check out my website, davidnurse.com, where you can sign up for free today. Lengthen your spine, roll your collarbone back, open your chest, drop your hands by your chest, and bring your head up so your ears are over your shoulders and you're looking straight forward. Now, do you feel more confident? Well, you should. According to a Harvard Business Review study conducted by Amy Cuddy, lower postures lead to lower moods and lower productivity. Slouching, shoulders rounded, leaning back in your chair all signal lower mood-inducing hormones. On the contrary, higher postures, including standing tall, chest open but not flared, feet planted firmly on the ground, elevates levels of testosterone and lowers levels of stress hormone cortisol. It is believed that 75 to 85% of how we communicate is with our body language. Do you want to be more confident? Well, yes, of course. If you're reading this book, then obviously you do. Then doesn't it just make sense to win literally 3/4 of the battle just in your body language? Not only does your posture change the way others perceive you, it also changes the neurochemical hormones in your body. I know I can feel the difference in my confidence when I step on stage and I own the stage with my posture, as opposed to trying to slouch and hide behind the podium and just slink into a lesser version of myself. Own the stage, be confident, trust your body language, and win the battle today. Sit up a little bit straighter, a little bit taller, wherever you're at right now. Plant your feet a little bit more firm and gain confidence in your body posture and your body language.